so excited. Are you super excited? Your kit should already be there, and if your kit is there, you need to go live, girlfriend. I know that going live sounds like a super scary situation, but if you go live on your main page and you post it publicly, oh my gosh, I'm scaring everybody, right? Post it publicly and you say, hey, like I just started this new business. I'm super excited. I just want to show you guys what I got in my kit. I can't believe that all this stuff came. You read the back, you tell them what the sets are, you show them what they look like, you get a little experience. The kids are yelling in the background. You're like, oh, sorry guys. You're being real, you're showing your life, you're showing how excited you are about these freaking nail strips, right? And then you're able to say, hey, if you're interested in these, let me know in the comments. Hey, if you need a sample, put sample in the comments. You're engaging them, you're getting them to interact and engage back with you. If they want a sample, then yeah, girl, let's get their address. Let's get them a sample. Let's message them, right? Let's pop it in the mail. And if they want to buy one of the sets that you have, then automatically you're making income, right? If you tell them about the buy 3, get 1 free deal on the website, then you can just say, you know, if you're interested in purchasing the buy 3, get 1 free or a buy 1, get 1 French with no wait time, no salon prices, just let me know and I'll shoot you my link. That's it. That's all you have to do. And then they're like, wait a minute, what is that? What's she doing? While you're at it, you might as well get out one of those pretty samples that you just got, put it on your nails, show them how to do it, and then you're able to say like, okay, they're like, what just happened there? Did she just put on that nail polish and like she's rubbing her hands through her hair? So they have to see it to believe it, right? This is dry nail polish. Not everybody has heard of this. We are not in every country yet, but we will be. And we want to share this with as many people as we can. If you can make some extra income on it, you might as well. If a friend is asking, hey, do you know anyone who sells that nail polish stuff? And someone has seen you do a live video, they're like, you know what? Yeah, one of my good friends, she does it. Let me get her name for you. Let me get her stuff for you. This is how a business works. If there's a boutique that opens, they share it, right? They go live, they talk about it, they advertise about it. Although we cannot advertise through policies and procedures, we can go live on Facebook. We can share with our friends. We can let people know, and then we're on their mind when they want to start sharing it with other people for us, when they want to refer someone to us, okay? So amazing customer service, being open and honest, sharing what you know, sharing what you don't know, sharing about your community and about your amazing nails, just showing it all together is something that is really great for you and your business, okay? So this is a way to advertise. Now, I asked you to do this live on Facebook on your main page publicly. The reason I asked this is because you can now share that video anytime you want. When you go live on your Facebook page, normally it's set to like friends or private, but if you change it to public, you can take this link and copy it to any other group that you're in. So if you do your nails live on Facebook, make sure that you do it publicly so you can share it into all of your parties that are going on. So you can share it into your VIP group and you're able to really capitalize on that one video several times, okay? So making sure that you're working smarter, not harder is always my motto. So make sure that you're having a system and don't be scared to do it. Comment in our group, go back in our little chats and say, hey y'all, I'm doing my unboxing, I'm scared, whatever, and some girls will hop on and support you. Make sure that you join in on the community. We are all here for you, and it is super exciting to go live and do an unboxing. So let's see. Let's talk about, okay, so remember that you cannot sell deals on your main page, okay? So that's only in your VIP group. So you can't say, hey, these are $10 if you want. No, don't do that. If you want to say, hey, if you saw any of the sets from my kit today that you want to buy, just message me. Just drop, I saw a set below, and I'll message you. You can privately tell her whatever deal you want to about these sets, right? But you cannot sell anything on discount live in a public group. or a public Facebook or an event, okay? So if you are one of the girls that are wanting to do those kind of things, you need to make sure that you are following policies and procedures, which is just offering color street prices in any public place. Got it? Okay. And then in private, you're able to offer these. So when you're sharing it to your VIP group, might as well just type in the top of that share, hey, if you want any sets, they're $10 each. Okay, you're still making a profit. Because of how much the kit is, you're still making a profit. You're making your money back. And if you're reinvesting your money from your kit and into your business, then you are really making your money because you get a buy 3, get 1 free on all of those sets. So we have some of that math broken down in one of our bigger groups, but let me know if you have any questions there. And let's see. So share the excitement, share about samples, share about the sets that you have so that you can get them off your hands, girls, unless you want them. You know, I mean, keep the ones you want, right? I also always offer these when I was first starting. Any of my rewards or things that I got from my kit, I was really wanting to get parties. I knew that parties equaled money, so giving away one set to a hostess for hosting for me, that was like totally worth it because I would sell $300 in a party. Clearly, this is not $300, right? My $11 set that I technically got for less than $11 is a business investment for me giving that away. So just make sure you're keeping up with all your stuff that you purchase, keeping up with your stuff you give away so you can claim that on your taxes if you are running this as a part-time, full-time business. And then, yeah, make sure you add those call to actions. So you're saying, if you're interested in these, if you saw any sets you wanted, make sure you let me know below and I will message you. Tell things that you want them to do in the comments. If I'm doing a video and I want people to comment, right, so that Facebook shows it to more people, I'll say, oh my gosh, who loves green? Who loves greens? Put some green hearts in the comments for me, right? Who loves the neutral colors? Put a black heart in the comments for me. You want them engaging in your video. You want them to be posting things in your comments so that other people see that video, okay? All right, so tag your upline in the comments. Make sure that they know you're going live so they can cheer you on. Tag some of your friends, your girls in the community. And that is it. It's super, super easy. I know it's scary, but we are here for you. If you're doing a video like this, it is super interactive. People are like, what's going on? What are these things she has? You are letting people know about you. You're advertising, you're sharing, you're building like, know, and trust because you're being yourself in your house and you're able to just do all that. Just a tip, you can do this outside in a pretty place. You can also do it by a window or grab a ring light if you have one. But remember, we always teach the 360 method. That's like this. You hold up your phone. In selfie mode, you go around and you're checking for the light. Where's the light even? Where's the light good? And that's where you want to do your video. Stop right there, wherever it is, set your stuff up and get ready to do your video. All right, ladies, if you have any questions, as always, you can reply to this email, but I will see you again soon. And I'm so excited to see your live unboxing. Bye, ladies. Congratulations.